All right, in math, have y'all been working with fractions? Yeah. Didn't you just take your unit fraction test? How did y'all feel about that? Bad? That's okay.
Sort
So,
of.
what about
It
you?
was easy, but I didn't like it.
Yeah, you didn't like it? I don't really love fractions either, but they are important. I promise you'll use them when you get older. Do any of you know what it means to go from a part of a fraction to a whole of a fraction? What does that mean, Amelia? You don't know? Are you sure? Are you sure you're sure? All right. So if we look at this, this is a whole. It's okay. This is a whole. And what does a whole represent? What number? One. Yes. Did you hear that, Emilio? Emilio, did you hear that? What does a whole represent?
A whole thing. The
A
one.
one. Yep. So if we're going to go from a part of a fraction to a whole, we're going to want to build up to a whole. So if I have this part of a fraction, how many more thirds do I need to make a whole? One. Good job. Emilio, can you tell me as well? Hey, Emilio.
What? Okay. What are you looking for?
There's one in my cup.
Emilio, if you're looking at this whole, how many more thirds do you need to make a whole?
1/3.
1/3. Perfect. All right.
How about the one on the back?
Let's try another one. Let's say we have. Which one do y'all want to do? Those? All right, pull it out.
No.
Yeah, that's purple, blue. Okay. All right, I'll hold the blue ones. If I have, how many's here? If I have 1/5 here, how many do I need to make a whole? If I have 1/5 here, how many more fifths do I need to make a whole?
4.
4. Perfect. Good job. Right. I think we have this way down. Let's look at fractions on circles. I know y'all have worked with the circles before, right? Yeah. No? I think you have. I've seen you do it. I promise. So, once again, what does a whole represent?
1.
1. All right, let's look at 6. If I have 3 6, how many more 6 do I need to make a whole?
3.
3? Yes, good job. So it would look like this. All right. If we're looking at it written down, if I have 2 sevenths, how many sevenths? How many more sevenths do I need to make a whole? Do you know, Betsy? So if I have 2 sevenths, how many more sevenths do I need to make a whole?
2 7s. 6.
5. Good job. How did you figure that out?
Counted.
You counted. So are you trying to match? You're trying to match this number to make 1, right? So this would also equal 1. Good job. Okay. So now I'm gonna let you each pick which one you want to use. Nadia, do you want to pick your color first? Blue. You want orange? Okay, I'm gonna give you one orange one. Okay. All right. What color do you want, Betsy? Purple. Okay. You too. And what color do you want, Amelia? Red. All right, Nadia. How many more do you need to make a whole?
1.
1. And what do you have right now? A half. So you need 1 more half to make a whole. Good job. See this? How many more do you need to make a whole?
2.
2. And how many do you have right now?
2 4s.
2 fourths. So you need 2 fourths to make a whole. Good job. All right, Amelia. How many do you have?
4.
Where are they? Oh, I like it. So you have 4. How many more do you need to make a whole?
4.
4? Let's look at that. Put out your 4.
I have 4 and 4. Yay.
Okay, so this is 4, and we're trying to make 6. How many more 4s do you need? We're trying to make a whole, remember? You can line it up next to it if you need to.
2.
2, good job.
2 and 1.
2 and 1. All right, can I have
So
that?
2 and 1.
All right. Now we're going to try something a little bit trickier, okay? We are not going to be able to compare it to the black piece. Okay? I'm going to show you a trick with fractions to show us how to make it equal. You always want the bottom of the fraction to match the top of the fraction. What is the bottom of the fraction called?
The denominator.
The denominator. Good job. So I have 4s. How many 4s do I need to make 1?
4.
4. Good job. Let's say I have 7s. How many 7s do I need to make a whole?
7.
7. So we want the denominator to match the numerator. Good job. All right. Let's try it again, but without the black piece to compare it to. Okay? If I have, what are these?
1 12.
All right. If I have, this is gonna be a hard one. If I have 4 12s, how many more 12s do I need to make a whole?
8.
8. Good job. That was fast. How did you figure that out so fast?
Skip counted.
You skip counted? Okay, let's do another one. These are tenths. If I have 3 tenths, how many more tenths do I need to make a whole?
5. Wait, no. 8. 8?
8. So you're saying if I have 3 tenths,
No. 7.
7. That's right, 7. Why is that so, Betsy?
7 plus 3 is 10.
7 plus 3 is 10. Good job. All right, let's do it with the circle this time. If you have, let's say, 4, 6. How many 6 do you need to make a whole?
2.
2 more? Yep, and that'll make what? What does a whole equal? What'd you say?
1.
Yes, a whole equals 1. All right, do you feel comfortable going from a part of a fraction to a whole of a fraction? Yes. All right, I'm gonna have you do a quick exit ticket. It's only 3 questions, and I think you'll do it super fast. And after you do it, you are all done. Okay? Do you have any questions before I give it to you? No? Okay. Here you go.